Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a Beyblade X unboxing. It's ShelterDrake 570 Orb. Really happy to get this in my collection, the Hasbro version. Now I will be adding it to my Hasbro collection, all right here. But yeah, let's get this unboxed for you guys. I do plan on getting the rest of this series once I get a chance to. I'm still waiting. I haven't gotten the ShelterDrake. I mean, not ShelterDrake. Kill Shark yet, cause scalpers. Okay, the. Oops. No. Shit. Whoops. God damn it. There we go. Sorry about that. Kind of messed up that box, but it's okay. And QR code. I'm gonna be tossed. I mean, not QR code. Instruction booklet. Shit. Here's ShelterDrake, the yellow ShelterDrake. QR code. And the tips now. And there we go. I actually really like this one. Yeah, that fell. An orb. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Let me add this to the box. Now, that's how you do it. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.